In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and schedule a workflow in HubSpot. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be familiar with setting up workflows from scratch. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can simply type www.hubspot.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. The HubSpot website is the launching pad for all the hub-centric tasks you'll perform today. Once you're on the main page, take a moment to appreciate its layout and design. You'll see how intuitive it is to navigate. Now it's time to log in. At the top right corner of the homepage, you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials if you haven't already saved them. Logging in is essential so you can access all the tools and features HubSpot offers. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to HubSpot's home dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage and monitor all your activities. Make sure you're comfortable navigating this page as it's the nerve center of your HubSpot environment. Next up, we're going to dive into the automation section. On your HubSpot dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here you'll find various options to explore. Click on Automations. This section is crucial because it houses all the tools you need to create and manage workflows. Now within the Automations menu, navigate to Workflows. Clicking on Workflows will bring up the workspace where you'll construct your workflow. Your screen should display an array of workflow templates and a button that says Create Workflow. Click on this button to initiate the creation process. When prompted, choose From Scratch. Opting to build your workflow from scratch gives you the maximum flexibility and control over the design and functionality of your workflow. It's perfect for those who want to tailor workflows to their specific needs or objectives. Next, you'll want to set up a schedule for your workflow. Click on Schedule to decide when your workflow should begin executing. Scheduling is a powerful feature because it enables you to time your workflows according to your business requirements, ensuring that tasks are automated even when you're not actively managing them. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the essential steps in creating and scheduling a workflow in HubSpot. This process leverages HubSpot's user-friendly interface and powerful automation capabilities, helping you streamline operations and drive efficiency. Don't forget to save your workflow and test it to confirm everything runs smoothly. Thank you for watching, and with these insights, you're well on your way to mastering HubSpot workflows.